These are the Play and Learn Science Family and Community Learning Workshops. It's a series of 4 workshops for children from 3 to 8 based on the Play and Learn Science app from PBS Kids.
Good afternoon, families. We're so glad you could be back with us again.
Parents come into the workshop and the first thing they do is have a meal with their child and with the whole group. Then we gather the children together and we do a read aloud of a story that's tied to the theme. And then we explore through 4 different centers: digital play, a make and take station, an investigation station, and an interactive literacy station, all focused on science content.
Today, it's all about weather and weather gear.
How do I know the temperature tomorrow?
It sparks something in him. It opens up his interest. You know, it makes him want to learn more about the scientific aspect of things.
Our goal is to engage the children and the parents so that they can talk to their child about science, or they can do an activity at home based on a science concept.
And this one more. Let's try another one. Yeah. You guys have come in with the experiments, showing us how to do interactive things with our kids. And my son, he's like all over that. He asked me the other day, he's like, Mom, I want to do an experiment.
I made it! I made it!
Good job.
At the end of the workshop, the parents get resources to extend the learning that we focused on that day to take home.
When you go home, you're going to take a real thermometer with you.
What we would like families to take away from these workshops is confidence in talking to their child about science. It shows them that it's not something that's out of their reach to work on with their children.
He's really enthused about it and looks forward to it. I love being out here, being able to bond with him, and just this hour and a half that we're here to learn more and just be with the PBS families. It's been very beneficial.